Hey everybody, it's Mindy and I have stuff to show you. Yes. Okay, this one right here, I don't think I ordered. I think it's one of those situations where there were several listed and I didn't get the right one. I don't know. It's so tricky sometimes. Let's go with that one first, okay? Because it's Halloween, right? And I think I already have this little guy. So I don't think I would have ordered this one again. I don't know. I just don't know. Who is this from? I didn't tell you who this is from. This is from GBFKE. That's who it's from. That's what it is. Maybe I don't have it. I don't know. You guys sometimes know better than me what I have and what I don't. Oh, I have to go downstairs. I have all these boxed items in one pile. I know there's a tool kit in here somewhere. It's in there. There it goes. There we go. There's the tool kit. All right. So we get to do some construction here. We have pegs, we have screws and a screwdriver and stuff like that. So we get to put this together. So my assumption is this is two-sided. It is two sides. So they will go like this, right? And you will put the pegs between, so they'll be separated a little bit like that. And then you string your lights in between around the pegs. So that's lights. We have lights. We don't have lights. Where are the lights? Is it in the box still? Is it in the box? It's in the box. Yay. Here's our fairy lights. So I just put a battery in here. This is a long strand of fairy lights. So I put this is what I do. I'll put the pegs in and just kind of set it down like this. And then I just wind them around the pegs, like that. And then I attach the other piece like this and then put the screws in that way. It's just an easy way to do it. So anyhow, that's what we got. Mostly rhinestones. All rhinestones. I think it might be all rhinestones. I don't see anything larger, nothing special here. So again, there's the screwdriver, there's the pegs, there's the screws. These are a nice little screwdriver. I was watching Liz the other day. Liz, Scotty Dog Krafts, she's from the UK. She was cracking me up. She got one of these and she's like, these, and she has an accent, of course, because she's in the UK. These are nice little screwdrivers and they might make nice gifts. Yep, go ahead. Yep, give them to your friends, Liz. Give them to your friends. Oh, she's a hoot. I like her. All right, here's our rhinestones. Orange, and more orange. And a little bit of yellow. And some clear. Some pink. A couple purples. Oh, the hat's purple. Green. Another pink. Another purple. Another green. Kind of a brown. Another green. And another brown. Yep, all rhinestones. So I don't know. Do you remember me getting this one? Let me know in the comments below. I don't know. After a while, things just kind of run into each other. Just one to the other. All right, let's show you this guy first. I had to do it. I had to get a Grinch. Isn't he cute? He's cute. Holding a little Merry Grinchmas. I love him. He's so cute. And he's special drill. There's 10 different drills. I love it. I love him. He is adorable. I think I have a new grandson that would like him. I'm pretty sure. Yep. He's into Grinch, gingerbread men. I'm going to like this kid, Oh, boy. All right, let's look at the drills. This has to have some special stuff. It has to. Like there, it has to. Okay, let's see what we got. Are there things falling out? Nope, nothing falling out. Okay. So here's what we have. Oh, we have a combo pet. No, we don't. It's just picking up the reflection from the red. I thought at first they were red in there, but they're not. It was just catching the red from over here. And some orange and another. That's like almost an orange. Green, that's the same color. That's the color of our Grinch. You're a mean one. Oh, we have black. Where does the black AB go? I bet you it's going to outline everything. And we have white AB. We have some yellow marquee. Those are cool. A couple stars and my snowflake friends there. We got snowflakes. Where do the black go? You got to find out where the black go. Where's the black? What number was the bag? That might help. 6. Number 6. The up arrow. Yep. So outlining the Grinch. outline in his hand, his mouth, his cuffs, his other hand. Everything is outlined with the black AB. That'll be cool. That'll be cool. And then our stars go up there. That's cool. I like him. I like him. He's so cute. Love it. Love it, love it, love it. Okay. One more. I have one more. Just one. Just one. I have some crackers over here on the counter. I'm trying to throw on the floor. In a world where you can be anything, be kind, right? I love this one. So this is all diamond painted. All the words are. They're going to get probably rhinestones. We have hummingbirds everywhere. So, and my sunflowers. It's everything I love there. Love the saying. That was in my classroom. Love the hummingbirds. Love this. That looks like a hydrangea. It's beautiful. 9 different drills. And all of these sunflowers are going to be special. I love it. Let's see them. Let's look at them. All right. Oh, my dogs are confused since the time changed. They're confused about dinner time. They're very good at telling me when dinner time is, but they're a little confused now. All right, black, some amber color, an orange, a green, clear. These are like a champagne-y color. Blue. Here is our sunflowers. Holy sunflower petals. Love those. Those are pretty, right? Those marquees. Those are gorgeous. All those petals. And then we have some orange, like flower centers. Love those. So that is what I got from GBFKE. Thank you. Thank you, GBFKE. They're one of those companies. I've been with them so long. I think I've seen them through a couple different people that I work with, So thank you for sending these and continuing to want to work with me and let me show beautiful, fun projects. So that's what you have for today, folks. Let me know below. Have you seen that pumpkin guy? Let me know. All right. I'll talk to you soon. Bye, everybody.